Alright, we got some babies here. I'm going to try and get close enough to feed them. I brought lettuce, I forgot. The apples. I don't know if they're going to let me feed them. There goes a baby off into the woods. 1, 2, 3, 4 today. Let me see if we can... Oh, do you see them? Come here, baby. Come here. Look what I got. Oh, look. What is it? Come here, honey. Oh, there's some in the back. Do you see them coming? No? Come here. See if she'll come close enough to get it. Come on. All right, I'll back up. No, come on. Come get it. No. Come get the lettuce, honey. Come on. Oh, that's a good girl. What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, I told you I'd bring you a treat. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's just made my day so much better. Oh, there's another one. Hi. Oh, look at you. Yeah. Treats for everybody. There you go. Oh, that's amazing. You're welcome. Oh my God. Oh, they're all going to come and have a bite to eat. Perfect day to be outside. It's mild. No wind. No frigid temperatures. I'm sharing the best day. Oh, look at the size of them. Still quite young. Because they're not that big. But they do have some bulk to them. Oh, lovely ladies. There you go. Oh, look at you. So we have 3. There's one in the back, 4. There's 5 right there. You see the girl in the woods? She's the one that turned away. She's missing out. Should have stayed. It's delicious. And that is what makes me happy. Ladies and gentlemen, truly beautiful. Thank you for joining.